Fine. Now let us observe and learn. Find the area of the given triangles. They have given a triangle like PQR, and here one diagonal is there, that is half. This half, what we call it as height, and QR is the base. Okay, so what is the formula for this? Area is equal to half into base into height and the units. So here half into 7.5, that means base into height, right? So base is 7.5 centimeters into 6 centimeters height. So here if we multiply, now see here any possibilities are there, we can cancel it. See 6 2s are, no, 3 6 are, 3 2s are 6, right? So cancel here 6 and 2. Write 3 on the top of the 6 here. So 3 2s are 6. We cancel here 6 and 2. Now 1 here remained, and if we multiply with 3, 7.5 into 3, then it is 22.5 square centimeters. Okay, likewise, now move to this area part of the B bit. See here, this is a triangle ABC, and the formula is area is equal to half into base into height, square units, right? So here, how we will multiply this? Height, how much is here? 5, right? And the height is 5 and the base is 7 centimeters. So what is the formula here? Area is equal to half into 5 into 7 square centimeters. So here half means 25, right? 2.5, sorry. 2.5 into 7 square centimeters. If we multiply, then the answer is 17.5 square centimeters. Okay. Now we shall move to the second example. If the three sides of the triangle are 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 5.5 centimeters, find its perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C is the formula. So if we add all this, then the answer is 16.5 centimeters. Right? Now see the third example here. The three sides of a right angled triangle ABC are 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and find the perimeter and area. So we have to find out the first area and then the perimeter also. So what's the formula here? Area is equal to half into base into height, right? So half into, here base is 3 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. So 3 into 4 square centimeters and into half. If we multiply, then the answer is 6 square centimeters. Right? Have you got this 6 centimeters? Do you got any idea? 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 2. Right? So it is 6. 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 6 square centimeters. Okay. Now we have to find out the perimeter. The formula is A plus B plus C. So here see 5 plus 4 plus 3 is how much? 12 centimeters. Okay. So AB is perpendicular to B and C. So AB is the height and BC is the base over here in this triangle. Now, see the fourth example. Find the perimeter and area of a triangle if the base is 7 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters, and the other two sides are 6.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively. Sides of the triangle are 7 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Now we have to find out the perimeter here. So A plus B plus C. See here 7 plus 6.5 plus and 5. So the total is 18.5 centimeters is the perimeter. Now, what is the formula for triangle to find out the area? Area is equal to half into base into height. Right. So, half into here the height is 7 centimeters and the base is 8 centimeters. Right. So, 7 into 8 into half. Then the total answer is 28 square centimeters. So, have you got this 28 square centimeters? 7 8s are how much? 56. Right. So, 56 divided by 2. Then the answer is 28 square centimeters. Okay. Now we shall move to the next page. Here, let us do it. Calculate the area and perimeter of the rectangles given below. See the first example or first question here. Area is equal to length into breadth. Here they have given length as 4 centimeters and the breadth as 3.5 centimeters. If we multiply, then the answer is 14 square centimeters area. And the perimeter. What's the formula for the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. That is 4 plus 3.5 into 2 is 2 into 7.5. That is 15 centimeters is the perimeter. Likewise, you do the B and C bits. Okay. Now, see the second question here. Calculate the areas and perimeter of the squares given below. Now, check this a bit. Here, what they have given? MNOP. Right. So, 2.5 centimeters. Breadth and the length also. Same. All the four sides are equal of the square. So, area equal to, we can say the formula as r square. That is 2.5 into 2.5. Length and breadth. So, if we multiply 2.5 into 2.5, then the answer is 6.25 square centimeters. Now find out the perimeter. How we will find? So all the four sides are equal, right? So 4 into r. That is r means here what? 2.5 centimeters. So 4 into 2.5 is how much? 10 centimeters. Okay. Likewise, you find out for the B and C bits. You do it on your own. It's a simple multiplications. Okay. In the first question and the second questions. And move to the third bit. Calculate the area and perimeter. See here, what's the formula? Rectangle is equal to, what we say? Perimeter's formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Right? For rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth is the formula. Now we have to find out the area and we have to find out the perimeter. Right? So, in third bit, coming to the third bit, calculate the area and perimeter. Rectangle, L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth. So here they have given A bit, length as 5 centimeters and breadth as 4.5 centimeters. Now we have to find out for area. Length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is 5 into 4.5. Then the answer is 22.5 square centimeters. Likewise, you have to find out for the B and C bits. Okay, you do it on your own. And find out the perimeter also. What's the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So, 2 into 5 plus 4.5. 2 into 9.5 is 19 centimeters is the answer. So, you do for B and C perimeter also. Okay. Now, move to the next bit. That is B. We have to find out for square. Square S is equal to side. Right. So, what's the formula for this? The four sides are equal for the square. So, S is 3.5 meters. So, 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 square meters. Or see here, I told you area is equal to r square. Or else to see here, the answer we have given, the question we have given here is s equal to 3.5 meters. So 3.5 into 3.5. How much the answer is? 12.25 square meters. This you can do it on your own. Or shall I write it for you? Or I will show you in this working column you see. In this book I have done for you. Now see. B bit. Square s equal to side. S is how much here? 3.5 meters. So what's the formula for this? Area is equal to meters into meters. That equal to square meters, or we can write as square meters like this. Okay, so 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 square meters. And we have to find out the perimeter of the square. So what's the formula for square? To find out the perimeter, perimeter is equal to 4 into length, right? So 4 into, here what they have given? 3.5 meters, right? So 4 into 3.5 is equal to 14 centimeters. Likewise you do for rest of the sums using the formulas. Okay, now we shall move to the fourth bit. See here, find the breadth B and perimeter. They have given only the area and the length. So area is equal to how much here? 2688 square meters. And the formula, you know that area is equal to length into breadth. We don't know the length here. No, breadth. We don't know the breadth here. Right? So we have to find out this. See the working column I have done for you. Now, in the fourth bit, you see here, find the breadth B and perimeter. So they have given the question as area is equal to 2688 square meters and the length they have given here as 48 meters in the question C. So area is equal to 2688 square meters, that equal to, what's the formula for this? Area is equal to length into breadth. So length is, we know that 48. We don't know the breadth. So we have to find out this. So how we will do? We have to do the division. 2688 divided by 48, the answer is 56. See the working column also I have given you. Okay. So 56 is the breadth. Likewise, you have to find out the perimeter of a square. So what's the formula for this? 2 into length plus breadth. So 48 plus 56, how much it is? 104 into 2. So the answer is 208. Likewise, the B bit and C bit, you do it on your own. Okay.